Hi, my name is Debbie. I foster with Foster Wales Cardiff. I've been fostering now for 2.5 years, and I foster babies up until the age of 18 months on a short-term basis. I had been a nursery nurse for over 20 years and I absolutely adored children, still adore children. I trained as a nurse as well, and I just thought, what could I do that would use the skills that I've already got? And I started Googling everything about fostering and could I be a potential candidate for fostering, being a single parent. And I just went from there. We are a team, my son and I. He is only 12. He was 9 when we started the whole process, and I couldn't do it without him. But when I just see him with these babies, it makes everything worthwhile. I've seen babies who haven't had the best start in life and have had a lot of trauma in utero, and some of these babies have been thought that they perhaps wouldn't feed, wouldn't develop as well as they potentially could. And to see these babies eating, crawling and exceeding what is expected of them has just been the most amazing experience I've had, and I just wish I'd done it sooner. So the babies that come into my home, they've got their own social worker, but I have my own supervising social worker, and she is just amazing. She's on the end of the phone should I need anything, and I have needed lots of things, and she's always there for me. There's also training from the local authority, there's also meetups, peer support, so there is so much support out there for foster carers. My advice for anyone thinking of fostering is to go on the internet, pick up the phone, do your research, talk to anyone that's involved in fostering, and get a real insight into what fostering is about, and just go for it. When people find out I foster, the usual response is, I would love to do that, but I could never give the baby up. And I completely understand that, but I never ever give my babies up. I prepare them, I nurture them, I hopefully heal some of their trauma and prepare them for a life that they're destined for. Every time a baby has to leave you, it always leaves a little bit of a hole in your heart. But then before you know it, there's another knock on the door or a phone call asking you to take another little baby that just needs your love and your dedication. And you start the whole process again. And I just can't wait to do that every time.